it was just time for us to put it out here on the field, let y'all see it and let the world see it. And I feel like we're doing that this season. Everyone's always talking about Georgia this, Georgia that, and we finally came out tonight to show y'all that Georgia's back. Georgia's back being that top dog and being the Georgia Bulldogs that we are.
It's a big win for us, and obviously it's an SEC team and SEC West team, and we want to come out and notch that win on the board. And the defense played stout, didn't give up a touchdown, and that's huge, especially against the guys that can score like that. On offense, we did what we had to do. We ran the ball, passed the ball, made plays. So there's not much more you can ask for.